Today we will discuss the orientation of end effector for 6R PUMA type arm, programmable universal manipulation arm. This one. Suppose we want particular pose of this end effector. It is wrist. So it can rotate this way, and this way. So we now solve the inverse orientation problem of finding theta 4, theta 5, theta 6. This one, end effector. This is wrist. So one is theta 4, the other is theta 5, and then after theta 6. Given end effector orientation, this problem is completely straightforward. Having found theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 for this D1 shoulder offset, first link is A2 and the other is linked A3. So for this theta 1, for this theta 2 and for this theta 3, it is already we have discussed. The forward kinematics can be manipulated into the form e raised to s4 theta 4 into e raised to s5 theta 5 into e raised to s6 theta 6 equal to e raised to minus s3 theta 3, e raised to minus s2 theta 2, e raised to minus 7 theta 1 into x into m inverse. X is the required pose of the end effector and M is the pose of home frame. End effector home frame, where X required end effector orientation and M is the home end effector orientation. Now this one. First we have applied theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and then after we have applied theta 4, theta 5, theta 6 rotation. M is the home frame orientation for the end effector. Suppose this M into this, we require certain orientation. It is known, X is known, M is also known, and we have applied this one. So we want to find this one. So multiplying both the sides by M inverse towards right. So X into M inverse equal to this into M inverse. But M into M inverse is identity matrix, so I have not written. So therefore, XM inverse is this into this. So e raised to S1 theta 1 into e raised to S2 theta 2 into e raised to S3 theta 3 inverse. Multiplying both the sides by this inverse. So this inverse into X into M inverse from left. So before this is inverse. So this into this inverse is identity matrix. And the rest one is this. So from this equation we are multiplying both the sides from left inverse of this. So now subtracting this e raised to s4 theta 4, s5 theta 5, e raised to s6 theta 6 equal to inverse, the order is reversed. So e raised to minus s3 theta 3, e raised to minus s2 theta 2, e raised to minus s1 theta 1 into x into m inverse. And this one, theta 4, theta 5, theta 6, rotation z cap theta 4, rotation y cap theta 5, rotation x cap theta 6, or this equal to suppose rotation matrix, this one. Here omega I is components of S4, S5 and S6 are omega 4 is 0, 0, 1, omega 5 is 0, 1, 0, omega 6 is around 1, 0, 0, towards direction 1, 0, 0. Which corresponds exactly to the ZYX Euler angles. So we can find certain orientation using this of end effector.